Hey guys, wanted to ask you something. How often does a tool actually live up to all of the hype that you hear about it? These are the Knipex Cobra Pliers, and I avoided buying them for years because of the price. Turns out I should have gotten them a lot sooner because they're fantastic. So if you take a look here, it has a one-handed adjustment. So really smooth, great machining. You know, it's a German tool, so you know it's going to be really nice. Got these hardened jaws here with the teeth. So this isn't something you're going to want to use on, say, a nice bathroom fixture or something like that. This is going to be something that you're going to get after whatever you're working on, because it's going to bite down, leave some marks, but it's going to make quick work of whatever it is that you're working with. So this is the 8701-250 by Knipex Cobra Pliers, like I said. And this particular version is the 10-inch, all right? So why is everybody talking about these? And, if you've been on Instagram and or on YouTube here, you've heard people just, be all about them. So the key is on this hardened tip here, the jaws, these are not going to slip. So I've got some Milwaukees here that attempt to, work similarly, but as you can see, the teeth are just not the same at all. So you're going to get a really good grip with these, and they're not going to slip on whatever you're holding on to, especially with the leverage that you get in these 10-inch pliers. You're going to be able to bite down on whatever it is that you're working with, and they just won't slip. And this is where most pliers will fail you, is when they slip. So you got the speed and efficiency factor too with this one button adjustment, okay? So one button, slide it up and down, easily adjusted. And as you can see, it's got a huge opening that these 10 inches will give you. Let's measure it here. So this one here, right at 2.5 inches. So huge opening. And even though it's opened all the way, you still have all kinds of leverage to really bite down on whatever you're working with. So one-handed adjustment, another big, huge win for this particular tool. Built for abuse is another thing. So, these are going to hold up forever, is what I would say. They're forged, hardened, and made in Germany. So you don't have to worry about babying these. You can get after them. This is a professional tool, and it's going to stick with you and work really good. So let's talk about some real world use cases. Typically, you're going to find these being used in plumbing. So say on supply lines, rusty fittings, valves, those kinds of things. Again, because it has the sharp teeth on it, you're not going to want to use it on something that is nicely finished, because it is going to mar it. But, again, whatever you're going to bite down on, it's going to bite and stick with it. Everyday use, you can think of like furniture bolts and outdoor repairs, emergency fixes that you may be working on. Electrical, your conduit knockouts, going to work great for that. Any type of cable fittings, bolts of odd shapes. So you can see that you do have some, it's not a flat jaw, so you are going to be able to get a bite on things that are a little bit different shapes. So really honest, or really great. So where they may be, maybe not as perfect, is so they're not going to be a replacement for, a full-blown full set of wrenches. This is, something that you're going to keep in your tool bag, and, the purpose is it's light, one item, you grab it and you use it. It can, mar the fittings like we talked about because of the sharp jaws, and it's pricier than the others. But just like any tool, you get what you pay for. They're going to last. This is I would call it, something that is going to be sticking around, and you can hand it to your son, your grandson, your son-in-law, whoever is in your family. After you get out of tools or you pass on, you can hand this off to them, and it's still going to be, something that is going to be viable and usable. So, is it worth the money? If you use these regularly, I would say definitely. You're going to get a huge amount of money back on them. I would say that for the frustration that you may get out of other tools, these would pay for themselves alone. All right. So, my thought is buy once, cry once, and it's going to last you, and you're going to be happy with it. So, final verdict here. Are they worth the hype? I would say yes. They're just a better tool than what else is out there on the market. I found that any tool that you can get that is made in Germany, you're going to have the great engineering, a great build quality, and something that is going to be, it's going to last you. So if you have used a set of the Knipex Cobras, I would love to get your thoughts, whether you love them or whether, my gosh, I bought this and I don't even know why I did it. Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe and help really, push out the channel and push out our tool reviews that we're doing. But until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.